What's she say?
Once we met up the pub one time, he's really nice fella. Oh my God, you have trains, you're so cool. So we get onto the fiddly yard.
Oh yeah, right enough.
Mostly.
That goes on to row 12.
What move you on?
7.
I don't know what they designated them, but they were flat towers of concrete and they were on stilts up in the air, nearly all of them. And another one. Every time we went one,
I had one the other day. I had one the other day where I'd gone around the whole shopping with the bag and the buttons weren't working. So they said, well, I'll give you a new handset. Go over there and rescan it. Oh, okay.
There's another bit over that. Oh, yeah, that
Doesn't matter. Surprise me. Got to get rid of the shunker first, though.
Yeah, okay. I have surprised you.
Good. The train. Well, I had a little railroad that would paint all the main parts in dark grey.
Only where you think the highlights are.
Well, where you think the highlights are, you do all the rows and parts. See if there's one. Yeah, you can probably see there. You can see like the parts of the clock balls.
Yeah.
And it gives it a sort of 3D look.
Yeah. So you need a very fine brush of space, right?
Yes. Probably a double O or a treble O.
Color that you put on. Is that to allow the green to stick to it?
It acts as an undercoat, but it gives you shading without having to turn it on. So if you see what I mean.
Yeah.
Because if you, like, for instance, if you put those sacks there.
really worth it. If you've got something that's older, then you go for it.
And then you just got highlights on. Yeah, throughout the other colours.
But it's also supposed to be.
Doesn't get teased.
Moved down, comes down to about the 23rd, and then I have to go back to the
Correct.